Hey, what's up guys? Good seeing you this time. Back at my friend's house actually, or his condo. I have some big news for you guys. So I actually got, turn on that radio there. I actually got some new rims, and they're actually right back there. There's 370Z rims. They're 18s, so there's two of them back there and two of them back there. I'm going to continue, and I'm going to go to a shop. So this video is going to be a work in progress, but yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit, but I just want to show you that before this video starts. So yeah. Alright, hey, what's up guys? Goes here, back, continue this video. As I said about the rims, I just got them from what you guys saw, and I got some paint here and some primer. So, something interesting that's happening. I actually cleaned these rims earlier, and this stuff is happening. I don't know why it's happening, but it is. So I'm trying to get rid of that while not messing it up, which is very hard, because I think it's oxidizing is what it is. So I'm trying to get that off of there, and then primering it again, and then trying to get rid of it because it's really annoying. Which I think I'm gonna have to sand that, I think. But yeah, so I'm just using the paper towel to just kind of get it off and try to redo it, and it's just not working very well. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be priming my rooms and everything. I will probably put up a camera for you guys to see me do with all this. But once it's done, I will kind of, update you guys and show you guys the results of it. So, let me go ahead and do this and I'll be back. Alright, hey, what's up guys? Goes for this time. This time, the next day after, I went to go paint my rims. So I figured out what happened, and I'm gonna go through with you guys how to fix that. So what happened is I actually, sprayed brake cleaner on it, which is probably not a good thing for paint. Then I sprayed wheel cleaner on it. So it most likely had a coating on it that was stripping my paint, and I didn't know it. So now my task is to go to AutoZone, and I'm gonna update you guys as I go to AutoZone and get the paint stripper. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, hey, what's up guys? Just got out of AutoZone. I did get an actual paint thinner. They recommended this Rust-Oleum. I'll show you guys it. So Rust-Oleum right here, it's Rust-Oleum lacquer thinner. Hopefully that gets it. So I figured out that my 370Z rims that I got are OEM, so of course they are, but that they're probably powder coated. So we're gonna see how this goes. If not, I'll just paint over it. But trying to get that old paint off of there, because what happened was, you described it. What happened is the paint that I have on, or was putting on there, it was too high of a solvent, so it was actually like destroying the old paint, which is actually insane. I've never heard of that happening, but it must be some really cheap paint. But I'll see you guys whenever I get to my mom's where I have the rims at, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm just gonna end this video off here because it's been a journey trying to paint these rims and trying to get the paint off. So I'm gonna put a video before this of me trying to get it off, and that thinner did work pretty well. But I'm just kind of an idiot because legitimately I put on brake cleaner on it. I know I'm stupid, but that's why it started peeling. I called my uncle who was a mechanic, and that's what he said. And he said that if it's enamel, it should stick on anything, and it wasn't. So that's where we're at now. Besides that, the next thing is I'm gonna wait until it's not rainy, because it's heck right now. I'm not gonna, curse yet on this channel. But besides that, I am gonna be working on trying to get tires as well. So I'm gonna try to paint them and then get tires. I did figure out that whoever painted them before did not primer them, did not sand them or anything. So, and it's my friend's friend, so I'm not gonna say anything too bad about him, but you really should primer and scratch up your rims before you paint them, which is why they had like little imperfections on them, and they started like coming up a little bit of it or everything. The other thing that I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna be making another video pretty soon, just to hold you guys over, because I'm trying to hold the Wednesday and Friday upload schedule because it's good to have that. And I don't want to get these guys hanging for like a month or whatever. The other thing as well is my buddy who sold me the wheels actually knows a shop that can get me some pretty cheap tires. So hopefully I can go there and get that. Of course, right now I'm kind of limited on money, but yeah, because of the rims. But besides that, I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to, you know, drive your car, I guess. And besides that, I hope you guys have a great day, and goodbye.